Stuck at a red signal. Didn't originally notice at first. I started to walk away and then I had a quick glance down both lines as I normally do, and I turn round, see a coach in the distance and think, oh, that's interesting, I wonder what's stuck there. And then the big plume of steam, and it's stuck at that red signal. Probably because it's about 8 minutes early. So the poor little steam loco has got stuck behind it. You see that big plume of steam? That's its safety valves blowing off. That's why it was so loud when it was coming down here. Didn't get a toot, unfortunately, this time. But you know, driver and fireman and whoever else is on the footplate have got more interesting things to do. So this is where I shall leave you with the Arriva bus going over the bridge, very nice, and a shot of the steam loco with its carriages in the distance. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hope you found this interesting, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.